What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about LiteCoin today, LTC USD. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it, my friends. What an exciting day for all of crypto, isn't it, man? Everything's moving up 4.7%. $118 is the price. 6 hours, 50 minutes left in this day, the 20th of July. We're looking like we're in full effect with this W pattern. We had a little fake out here, but man, yesterday closed to a nice effect. How much was that yesterday? 11%. We're up 4% today. You're looking at this here, this W pattern. Boom, right? We're on our way to new relative highs. Absolutely, you're about to break out of this long form of accumulation, right? LiteCoin with some of the, I mean, that is a very bullish channel right there, you guys. And you look at channels like this and you think, oh, you're going to hit the top of the channel and you're going to come down. And for years, that's been the case. But this is an accumulation phase is what this is. This is accumulation. You can and will likely break out of this to the upside. And on this next attempt, too. I wouldn't be surprised at all if LiteCoin here at $118 now moved all the way up to like $390, you guys. Crazy stuff. We've got a lot of growth in a very little amount of time to go. $390, $420. You might even see new all-time highs by the end of August. Genuinely, LiteCoin could see new all-time highs by the end of August. It all starts here, man. And I would say, you know, breaking above this is very key. But if you look at this for years, this has really been the area to break above. You're breaking above it now. You found resistance here, a little bit of resistance just below. You even found resistance in this range, support in this area, right? Maybe even a little bit lower. Let's drop it down, right here. Like, that's a pretty significant area. We've broken above it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times is the charm in the crypto space, you guys. I think that this is the real deal, and we're going to see some crazy stuff. LiteCoin has been in a multi-cycle consolidation phase, right? We've seen a couple coins like this, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar Lumens, XRP. XRP and Stellar Lumens have broken out of their multi-cycle consolidation phases, and they've seen robust movements to their all-time high areas. XRP is at new all-time highs now. Bitcoin Cash and LiteCoin, they're both in multi-cycle consolidation phases too, and they are both on the brink of breaking out. LiteCoin a little bit less so, Bitcoin Cash a little bit more so. If you haven't checked out that chart, you should check out that chart, man. It looks like it's about to rip. LiteCoin likely does stop here, like the other ones have, right at its resistance point. But I really wouldn't be surprised if we did see new all-time highs by the end of August. I wouldn't be surprised. However, my call is still something around $400. Just above, just below, but right around $400 by the end of August. When we do finally break above our all-time high area, when we finally break out of this multi-cycle consolidation phase, you see this giant triangle that we have, right? This multi-cycle consolidation phase here. Whenever we break out of that, the primary target zone is going to be something of about $800 to $2,000, okay? That's the first stop. And I'm assuming that we're well within this area by the end of the year of 2025. We'll likely consolidate, and then going into the beginning of 2026, the end of the cycle, as I assume it to be, we should see prices for LiteCoin that are anywhere from $4,500 to, and this is going to sound crazy, but it sounds crazy now, just wait and see, maybe as high as $15,000, okay? And it could go higher. It's very possible that LiteCoin could go higher. I know it sounds crazy now, but man, it's you don't get this kind of long form of accumulation without something robust happening. All right. And when it breaks out to new all-time highs, multiple cycles of consolidation, I think I'm being pessimistic calling for $2,000 by the end of the cycle, right? 4,500, 6,200, that's the sweet spot. That's where I think we're going to go. But you really could go all the way up to $13,500. It's very possible. And with the 2272, actually, it's very common to wick just above there. By the end of August, I would assume that we are about $400. By the end of the year, somewhere between $800 and $2,000, maybe right there in the middle at about $1,400, $1,500. And then from there, guys, it's the finale. That's all we got to wait for, and then that'll take us to several thousands of dollars, if not even tens of thousands of dollars, by the end of this cycle in early 2026. Looking at the short-term stuff, let's look at the 1 hour time frame, and then we'll wrap this bad boy up, okay? 1 hour time frame, bullish as hell on the 1 hour. Yeah, that RSI is bullish as hell. Let's get something with some volume on it, though. I want to see. Because the indicators look bullish, but does the volume agree? You're dying off in volume. You probably move a little higher. You're at 120 now. You probably move a little higher, and then you chill, right? What do I mean by chill? I mean, you move up like this, then what? You probably like come down and chill, and then you try again later. Maybe on Monday or Tuesday you continue to run, right? Get your RSI up here, get another drive of bearish divergence, and then, I mean, hell, maybe you go all the way back down to $113, the lowest. I would think you hold that $115 area, but $113 at the lowest, and then you continue to run. Let the RSI cool off, right? Get a lower low in the RSI with a higher low in the price. Good stuff, right? Those are good indications that you're going to continue to move higher if that happens, and probably when that happens. 4-hour time frame, super bullish. That RSI is unstoppable, man. Absolutely phenomenal. Volume's dying off as you're moving higher. That's not ideal, but whatever. Who cares? You're doing just fine. You probably move up a little bit more if I really had to guess. Let's see. I might eat those words. Let's see. High to low. Yeah, a little bit more, like 121. You're at 120 now, so like $1. Move up like another $1, and then from there consolidate back. I don't think you go below $116, or if you do, just very, very minor amounts below there. After that, you should be moving up, ripping and running, seeing new relative highs that we haven't seen in years, getting above $200, getting above $300, getting above $400. By the end of August, you should be around $400, if not above $400. And if I'm wrong about that, it's only because you're higher than that, man. I'm not betting on it. I wouldn't bet that you're above like $420 by the end of August, but I would not bet against it either, right? Does that make sense? I don't have anything else for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you all for being here, and LiteCoin's going to the freaking moon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.